In this video, we will see the types of electrode. Let's see what are the types of electrode. Here, this is the graphical representation of different types of electrodes. There are total 5 types of electrode which contains metal ion, amalgam electrode, metal insoluble salt electrode, gas electrode and redox electrode. So let's see what is the electrode. So types of electrode. See here, what is the meaning of electrode? That is, electrodes are the interface between each piece of metal and the electrolytic solution forms an electrode. Means when we keep any metallic rod into any electrolytic solution, at that time interface obtained between the surface of metal and that electrolytic solution. At that surface, that interface is called as an electrode. That means surface on which oxidation and reduction half reaction occurs, that is called as a electrode. Okay, and they may or may not be participate in the reaction. Means in any chemical, electrochemical reaction means what? That is conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy or chemical energy into electrical energy. So in these reactions, that electrode may or may not be participate, and the electrodes are always used in pairs. Means electrodes are always used in pair, means for oxidation and reduction reactions there is a need of 2 electrodes, and it is impossible to make voltage measurement or pass current into any electrolytic solution. First we will see metal ion electrode. Metal is in contact with the solution containing metal Mn plus ions, means solution containing ions of that metal is called as a metal ion electrode. Then amalgam electrode. What is the amalgam? First we will see what is the amalgam. That is a solution of any metal in liquid mercury is an amalgam, means mixture of metal and mercury is the amalgam, and such amalgam of metal, any metal in contact with the solution containing ions of that metal, that type of electrodes are called as a amalgam electrode. Now let's see here metal insoluble salt electrode. What is metal insoluble salt electrode? Metal is in contact with solution containing X minus ions. That type of solutions or that type of electrode is called as a metal insoluble salt electrode. Then see here gas electrode. Gas is in equilibrium with the solution of its ion in presence of inert metal. Such type of electrodes are called as a gas electrode. And last one is redox electrode. That is an inert metal like platinum deep into the solution containing ions of the same type but in 2 different oxidation state. Such type of electrodes are called as a redox electrode. So these are the different types of electrodes. Let's first see metal ion electrode. Metal is in contact with the solution containing metal ions. See here, this is a beaker which contains zinc electrode and zinc sulfate as an electrolytic solution. Means metal ion electrode means what? Metal is in contact with the solution containing metal N plus or Mn plus ions. For example, zinc in zinc sulfate, copper in copper sulfate, as in Daniell's cell. See here, this is the zinc in zinc sulfate electrode. Means metal means zinc. Okay, this zinc is represented as metal. Metal ion means zinc plus 2 ion in the electrolytic solution. Metal is in contact with the solution which contains ions of the same metal, that is called as a metal ion electrode. So for representation of this electrode is metal ion solution is in contact with metal. Means for the representation of this electrode we need to write metal ion, state of that metal ion, means in which state that metal ion is present. Here that metal ion is present in aqueous solution or aqueous form, means zinc sulfate solution is prepared in water. Therefore I write here in bracket aqueous form. So first there is a need to write metal ion, its state metal, that is pure metal, and the state of that pure metal is solid. And to separate the phases of this metal ion and metal, we write here single vertical line. Okay, means for a representation of any electrode or any metal ion, we need to write metal ion, the state of that metal ion, single vertical line to separate the phases of that metal ion and pure metal, and after next to vertical line there is a need to write metal and the state of that metal. The half reaction, why I say here half reaction of that cell, because this is only one beaker and one electrode is inserted in this beaker, therefore this is any half compartment of the electrochemical cell. Therefore I write here half reaction of that electrochemical cell. So half reaction will be, first zinc sulfate will plus 2 electrons, means metal when SO4 minus ions will goes under contact with surface of the metal ion. At that time, to neutralize that SO4 minus ion, zinc sulfate will remove 2 electron from zinc and it will convert into Zn plus 2 form, and that Zn plus 2 will go into the solution and again form zinc sulfate, and these 2 electrons will use external current. So first I write here any half cell reaction, that reaction should be written in the form of reduction, means addition. Reduction means addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, removal of electron. For representation of any half cell of the reaction, there is a need to write that reaction in the oxidation form. For this reaction, reaction quotient will be, that is activity of product divided by activity of reactant. See here, activity of product here means activity of product is zinc in solid state. So I write here activity of zinc and divided by activity of reactant. Here reactant is Zn plus 2 in aqueous form. So I write here activity of zinc Zn plus 2. Okay, means activity of pure metal divided by activity of metal ion. Right? This is the reaction quotient, and EMF of this electrode is E is equal to e power minus 2.303 RT upon twice of F into log to the base 10 of activity coefficient. Here activity coefficient is activity of zinc divided by activity of Zn plus 2 ion. Now we know that activity of any pure metal is always 1. Therefore I write here 1 for activity of pure metal, that is activity of zinc. Therefore the EMF equation become E is equal to e power minus 2.303 RT upon twice of F into log to the base 10 of 1 upon activity of Zn plus 2 ion. Means here we need to write the concentration of that zinc plus 2 ion or that electrolytic. General representation of metal ion electrode. Any pure metal is in contact with solution which contains ions of the or cations of the same metal ion. General representation for such reactions can be as metal having N plus charge in aqueous form, single vertical line, and metal in solids form. Okay. Now half cell reaction for this cell can be written as Mn plus will use number of electrons from metal ion to neutralize that metal N plus ion. Here Mn plus in aqueous form plus N number of electrons gives metal in solid state. Okay. Now reaction coefficient or activity coefficient of this reaction can be written as activity of pure metal divided by activity of metal having oxidation state plus N, and the EMF of the equation will be E is equal to e power minus 2.303 RT upon NF into log to the base 10 of 1 upon activity of Mn plus. This is the EMF equation for metal ion electrode. Now let's move towards the metal salt electrode. It is also called as a metal insoluble salt electrode. See here, the metal in contact with its sparingly soluble salt Mx, which turn is in contact with the solution containing X minus ion. Half cell reaction for this electrode is Mx, that is sparingly soluble salt Mx plus twice of electron gives metal plus X minus silver. Let's observe this cell. This cell is constructed with lead sulfate as an anode and silver sulfate as an cathode. Okay. Now see here in this cell is constructed with lead in lead sulfate solution and silver in silver sulfate solution, and silver electrode act as a cathode and lead electrode act as a anode, both in a solution of sodium sulfate. The two solutions are separated by anion exchange membrane. Okay, this is the membrane of anion exchange, means from that membrane only anion can be exchanged. Okay, and the voltage of this cell still depends on the current being drawn from it and on the temperature. Okay, means cell voltage is always depends on the number of electron transferred from this cell as well as temperature of that reaction condition. At any fixed temperature, means when we kept the temperature constant, however, the maximum voltage is independent of the concentration of electrolyte and is equal to the standard electrochemical potential for this reaction. So cell reaction for this reaction is now let's see the representation for this cell is X minus ion single vertical line, Mx of solid state in single vertical line, pure metal M in solid state. Okay, this X minus ion which is present in aqueous form, Mx is in solid state, which is and to differentiate the phases of X minus ion and Mx, I write here single vertical line. Okay, and these two are the two different chemical compounds, two different phases, Mx in solid state and Mx pure metal is in solid state. Okay, so for the differentiation between Mx solid and pure metal M, I write here single vertical line. Now for half reaction for this cell is Mx in solid state will gives 2 electrons, will converts into metal in solid state, that is metal in solid state plus X minus ion, okay, which is in aqueous form. Now activity coefficient of this reaction is activity of X minus ion into activity of pure metal M, that is activity of product divided by activity of reactant, and EMF equation for this reaction is E is equal to e power minus 2.303 RT upon F into log to the base 10 of activity of X minus ion. Okay, activity of pure metal or activity of reaction coefficient, that is log to the base 10 of activity of reaction coefficient, that is here activity of pure metal and activity of metal salt are always 1. Therefore, I write here only log to the base 10 activity of X minus ion. Now let's move towards the gas electrode gases like hydrogen, chlorine, etc. are used with their respective ions. For example, hydrogen gas is used with a dilute solution of HCl. The metal should be inert so that it does not react with the acid. In gas electrode, gas is in equilibrium with the solution of its ion and in presence of an inert metal. The inert metal facilitates rapid equilibrium between gas and its ion, and it serves to make electrical contact, and that inert metal is usually platinized platinum. For example, hydrogen gas electrode, chlorine gas electrode, oxygen gas electrode. Okay, means here this is the glass tube which contains an inert metal here, that is platinum, and this is the solution of HCl, and in that HCl and from this empty hole hydrogen gas is bubbled in this HCl and which is in contact with platinum metal. So such electrodes are called as a gas electrodes. When we insert chlorine gas from this bubble, then it will called as a chlorine gas electrode. Let's see the representation for this gas electrode. Suppose for example this is the hydrogen gas electrode, means from this hole we insert hydrogen gas through this. Okay, now see here representation for this cell. Aqueous solution, that is aqueous solution of HCl. Aqueous solution, that is which contains H plus ion, which is present in aqueous form, which is in contact with hydrogen gas, see here hydrogen gas, and which is in contact with pure platinum wire. So I write here H plus in aqueous form, single vertical line, H plus in aqueous form, aqueous solution, single vertical line, hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is present in gaseous form and it have a particular pressure, and single vertical line and platinum electrode. So this is the general representation for hydrogen gas electrode, and half cell reaction for this electrode is H plus in aqueous form will gives 1 electron and it will convert into 1/2 of H2 gas molecule. Hydrogen atom or H plus ion can absorb only 1 electron at a time. Product is H2 gas, means here H2 molecule, but that H plus ion can absorb only 1 electron and therefore it will converts into 1/2 molecule hydrogen gas. Okay, H plus in aqueous form gives plus electron, will gives 1/2 of H2 gas, and the activity coefficient for this reaction is activity of product divided by activity of reactant. But here activity of product is gaseous. Here product is in gaseous state. Therefore, instead of activity, I write here pressure of that gas, means pressure of hydrogen gas, and the concentration of hydrogen gas is 1/2 molecule divided by activity of H plus ion, means activity of reactant, and therefore EMF's equation for this cell or this electrode become E is equal to e power minus 2.303 RT upon F into log to the base 10 pressure on hydrogen gas divided by activity of H plus ion. This is the EMF equation for this electrode. At standard when if standard electrode potential is 0 volt, means EC of hydrogen gas is 0. Therefore, for this reaction or for hydrogen gas electrode potential become minus EC 0 or EC power is the 0, means 0 minus 2.303 RT upon F into log to the base 10 pressure of hydrogen gas having concentration 1/2 divided by activity of H plus ion, and therefore E is equal to minus 2.303 RT upon F into log to the base 10 1 upon activity of H plus ion, because if pressure of hydrogen gas is 1 atmospheric pressure, at that time activity coefficient will be converted into 1 upon activity of H plus ion. So by using activity of H plus ion, means by using concentration of H plus ion in the solution, we can calculate EMF of the hydrogen gas electrode. Logarithm of 1 upon activity of H plus ion is called as a pH of the solution. Therefore, we can replace the value of log to the base 10 1 upon activity of H plus by pH of that solution. That means E is equal to negative sign of 2.303 RT upon F, means 0.0591 into pH of that solution at 298 Kelvin. So by using EC we can calculate pH of that solution, or by knowing the value of pH we can calculate EC of that hydrogen gas electrode. Okay, now let's move towards the redox reaction. Redox reaction, that means an inert metal like platinum dips into the solution which contain ion of same type but into different oxidation state. See here, this is the pure metal, that is platinum, and this is the beaker which contains two different which contain solution of the same metal but they are present in different oxidation state. Means suppose this is the solution of ferric chloride and ferrous sulfate which contains same metal but are in different oxidation state. Means for example, Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3 are dissolved in the same container, and an inert electrode of platinum is used for the electron transfer. So in this case, the cell representation for this reaction as Fe plus 2 aqueous form, Fe plus 3 aqueous form, single vertical line, and pure metal platinum. Okay, these two are the metals of same element but in different oxidation state, and both these are present in aqueous form. Okay, therefore I write here comma. To differentiate the phases of that electrolytic solution and pure metal, I use here single vertical line, and platinum is present in solid state. And the half cell reaction for this reaction is Fe plus 3 plus electron will gives Fe plus 2 in aqueous form. Okay, Fe plus 3 plus electron will gives Fe plus 2 in aqueous form, and the activity coefficient for this reaction is activity of product divided by activity of reactant, means activity of Fe plus 2 divided by activity of Fe plus 3, and E is equal to, that is EMF equation for this reaction is equal to E is equal to e power minus 2.303 RT upon F into log to the base 10 activity of product, means activity of Fe plus 2 divided by activity of Fe plus 3. Means by using the concentration or by knowing the concentration and activities of these two solutions, we can calculate EMF equation.